Welcome, and on this week we will be editing one of my Inktober pieces. This is the yarn ball off of Clock. It was at the top. If you want to go see all my Inktober videos, I do have a sketchbook. That's what where I'm looking for, a sketchbook walkthrough of all my Inktober pieces. I did do 31 drawings. I finished it on November 3rd. Yep, the Saturday. So it was a little late, but I did finish it. I'm probably not gonna do it again because I didn't like it. I'm not doing Huevember because I don't know, like I could just create a blob. There's so many ways to cheat in these challenges that I don't find it worth it. I'm just gonna draw anyways. I don't know, next year I might revisit it and just do black and white, but as it stands right now I'm not going to. Yeah. So I am trying a digital painting, the painterly kind of thing. I don't know if I'll like it. It was a lot of work, but I really like how it came out. It looks very 3D. I don't know. Next, I might do a hair, or I might do one of the other things that are in the clock, because there was 4 like pieces and the clock itself, and it'd be really cool to have like my first painterly thing be a clock, or be like all cohesive, be the clock. So there is a bird, a fishbowl with a fish in it, and a cat. So if I do another one of off the clock, I would do the fishbowl, and then the bird, and then the cat. You know, ramp up in difficulty. And then do the clock last, mainly because it's just a circle right now, so I'd have to like base off of what the other ones are doing, because obviously the ball of yarn has light in it and it has a lot going on with it, like, so I would want to keep that consistent. So I don't know if I would want the clock to look like a shadow box, or I don't know how I would make the clock look 3D. I'm really happy to be getting back into the swing of things. I took a nice little 2-ish week hiatus from editing videos, and digital videos are so easy to edit. Mainly because I don't have 2 setups, and I think I'm going to remove my webcam from the setup and just use my GoPro and just have that as the overhead view. It'll probably not be perfect, but I'm okay with that because editing these videos is there's a word I'm looking for. English is escaping me right now. I don't know. I'm also not editing this audio, so you're getting the raw audio, which can be good, can be bad, which is why I'm putting music behind it. You'll probably go to sleep. I'm sorry. I like to give y'all the feeling I was feeling, give y'all the emotion I was feeling while I was painting something. And this one was, oh my gosh, when does this end? I did take 4 minutes, so I sped it up to 10 times. I sped it up 10 times faster than real time. Cropped out a bunch of like me just hovering over here and figure out what I'm doing. And then after, that then I was like, it's still 10 minutes long. So it's now 15 times faster. So, yeah, which is why it's only 7 minutes long. Which I know some of you are gonna be like, that's too long. This is just a ball of yarn. I'm also, it's not just a ball of yarn. It's study. Like, that's the whole point of why I'm showing y'all this, is it's me doing my first Painterly study. So don't worry, it's not like, look at me draw this ball of yarn, because if I was just like that, it'd be boring for me too. But I'm doing a study, and that's what I want to show y'all. Because I'm going to try and get into the Painterly thing, but I have to start small, because I'm just like, I'm going to do a Painterly human. I would probably take all year. It's hard. I've been following Brodante and Drawing with Waffles. In September, was getting into Painterly. She was getting inspired by Loish. I haven't looked her up. I should probably look up Loish, because Drawing with Waffles is adamant that she's amazing. I don't know. But I really want to get into the Painterly thing because of Brodante. I'll leave links to them. But it's almost done. I hope y'all enjoyed my little escapade into the Painterly scene, but I will see y'all next Monday, or more like you'll see me draw next Monday. Have a wonderful week.
Like, subscribe, and tap that bell to become part of the swarm.